Hello and welcome you all to our brand new educational channel Vidhyapeetha 9th and 10th. I am Sandhya Srihari and I am thrilled to have you all join us on this exciting journey. On this channel, we are dedicated in helping 9th and 10th class students across India excel in their studies. Whether you are preparing for your exam or just looking to deepen your understanding over the subject, you have come to the right place. We know that the curriculum of class 9th and 10th is challenging, but don't worry. Our goal is to make learning engaging, accessible and fun. In Maths and Science, we have got you covered with comprehensive lessons, tips and tricks to master both the subjects. Our videos include detailed explanation, solved examples, practice question and interactive activities to help you reinforce what you learn. Plus, we provide helpful study tips and exam strategies to ensure you give your best. We understand that each student learns differently. That's why we will be breaking down complex concepts into easy to understand lessons. You can pause, rewind and rewatch the video. It is not just about watching the videos. We want to build a community in which you can ask questions, share your thoughts and learn together. So don't hesitate to leave your comments, engage with us and your fellow students. So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and join us to explore the world of knowledge together. So let's make learning a successful and enjoyable journey for every student. Thank you for watching and once again welcome to Vidhyapeetha 9th and 10th. Let's achieve great things together. See you in the next video.